We finally made our way to Lviv, Ukraine, where it's a little rainy, but it's still going to be a fantastic day of exploring this beautiful city. The architecture here is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to show you guys around. So we just got to our room, and you gotta see how snazzy this place is. Look at the carpets, the ceiling. It's absolutely fantastic. All for Julia's birthday. There she is, birthday girl! Let's see what the view's like outside our window, huh? Open this thing up. Let's see. How awesome is that view, right? Here's Julia. Whoa! I thought this was really funny. I saw these next to the bed, and I said, oh, they're probably chocolates or maybe matches. When you open it, they're earplugs. Earplugs. It's a weird thing to give to people. We're finally hitting the town. We're going to a chocolate museum. I like chocolate. I like museums. It's going to be fun. Is it just me, or do you think the same way? That when everything is wet, it looks cooler? Oh, I guess it just looks shiny and new? Oh, comment below, let me know. Absolutely beautiful. This thing was built in the 1500s too. It's still standing. So beautiful. This place. Well, it's a church, obviously, and there's a wedding going on right now, so I kind of feel bad, but look how beautiful this is. So I can't find too many English-speaking people to give me some kind of history about here, but it is a Ukrainian church. It was built actually in the 1600s, not the 1500s. I was off by 100 years. I'm sorry. But still, how beautiful was that, right? Insane. All right, let's continue our walk to the chocolate factory / museum. Check out this miniature town made out of caramel. Yeah, we're a bit lost. Oh, we found a coffee museum. I like coffee. Let's check that out. Gosh, it smells so good in here. Not really sure where we're walking, to be honest with you. I don't know if this means anything. I think they're lights. They give us hats to put on. I'm gonna set up my hair. This is not a chocolate store, this is an underground coffee bar. There's a bar here, hard hats are on. This is funny. Supposedly, once we left the restaurant, this is actually a legitimate coffee facility. They actually still get coffee here. Alrighty. Woo! That was a cool tour. The coffee girl here is getting fresh Ukrainian coffee. Alrighty, so if you didn't get all that while I was down there, I apologize. It was dark and it was loud. So this is still a functioning, I guess, coffee mill. They make all the coffee downstairs, and they kind of give you a tour of the entire facility. And there's a secret cafe underneath there, which is why they give you the helmets. But it was cool. I did not expect that at all. Now we're gonna get back to the streets and see what else there is to find. So we're still trying to find a way to the chocolate museum, and as we're walking there, Julia's parents tell Julia to tell me that while we're down there looking at the coffee tour, or whatever you want to call that, that I look like a lost American GI during the war. I guess it's a compliment, huh? Still lost. This is not raining anymore. Now, as we're still walking, Julia, of course, who speaks multiple languages, says that even though we're in Ukraine, most of the tourists here are Polish. So it's really hard to ask people for directions. So as we're walking, I can at least tell the dates of when these buildings are built because they put these plaques here giving some information, but like nothing's in English. So I can at least just tell you, like, this building behind me was built in the 16th century, if that helps. So we found a chocolate shop, but not a chocolate museum. We'll walk around it for now until we find the museum. May not be a museum, but hey, they're making some good chocolate. Look how good this chocolate looks. Oh, you know we had to get some chocolate, right? We got some coffee and now some chocolate. Man, we're gonna get fat. Oh, just a Ukrainian girl. I think Julia's brain can't process the amount of chocolate here, especially after she saw the chocolate shoes. Alright, so we just found another floor of chocolate. It's way too much chocolate for one place. I just want to eat it all. So we're going to go upstairs to the cafe, but they have no tables left. But it's fine, there's literally 12 coffee places on every street, so we're going to find another joint. So we checked out the chocolate factory. We're going to pause in the chocolate museum, and we're going to find the postcard museum. It's actually more of like a factory where you can actually make your own postcard and send it. So we're going to make our own postcard now. So he just cleaned the plate, now he's going to add, well, actually, I'm going to add stuff on there. No. Alright, Mom and Dad. You'll see the postcard in like, I don't know, 2 weeks. How awesome was that? I mean, I know you guys may say, oh, it's a postcard, but me and Julia love doing hands-on things like that. And my sister loves to send postcards from around the world, and I don't think she's ever made one. So Frankie, I got you beat on this one. So we're now finding ourselves in a apothecary museum, and Julia wants to take a tour of the place. You can see the old containers over here, but there's a whole museum. We're gonna go check it out. Funny enough, it's still a pharmacy. Hey, at least I know one medicine. I was working in the lab late one night. Yet another tour that found our way into a basement. Julia found the Starbucks logo. I have no idea where they got the logo from, but that looks like it. Yeah, Pepsi was a medicine one time. That's what Coca-Cola and Pepsi were. Medicine for your stomach. I definitely don't want that pasta. We're just hanging out in someone's backyard. Cool. Look at my beautiful wife. Oh, she's beautiful. Well, that was cool to check out. I didn't expect to see an apothecary museum. But anyway, it's this girl's birthday tomorrow. Yeah, it is. This is girl's birthday tomorrow, and we have a reservation tonight for her birthday. So we're gonna head back to the hotel and get ready for dinner. We cleaned up nice, don't we? Julie picked the best restaurant for her birthday. You love this view? Our dinner's over, and I'm sure gonna miss this view. Just so you guys can see, this is actually the Opera House here. It is so beautiful. Let me pan over for you. Incredibly beautiful, right? I know. Well, it's starting to get dark and my camera's really not good in low light, so I want to go ahead and say, guys, thank you so much for joining us on our tour today. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share, do what you guys gotta do. You guys have a fantastic day. See ya.